Hi guys, my name is Gentle Shada, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I convert a website into Android app. Let's go there. Now
On your website, but before proceeding, download the application in any site where you can download it. The name of the application is web app, so download it. Now let's proceed. Open the website you want to copy the link. Now click on this link on the top side, copy this link, copy the site link. Now let's go to the application. The name of the application is called web app. Now open the application. Here is the setup for the application. Now paste the link here. Now click on go. Now click on this register icon. As you can see, the app has already turned it to app. You already turned it to app. You see it. The problem is that the app can't launch it outside like a homepage app, but you only use the site in the app application. If you want to change it into another site, click on the app, go to the app setting, app info, and now click on storage and cache. Now click on this clear storage. Now you have already reset the application, so it will be possible to see it. You see it. I've reset it here now. Paste the link and click on register. You see it. You see it. You can only use this website as an app only in this application. That's it, guys.
if you like the video, so like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and check out my next video page. We update you in every software event and future technology, so keep tight by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. And if you are on Facebook, hit that follow icon and keep visiting my page for more.